DoS and DDoS concepts. This topic explains how attackers use network traffic to disable or slow down target systems and services. Imagine a prank call flood. One person repeatedly calls a business line, or hundreds of bots all dial at once, overwhelming the system. Denial of service is about exhausting system resources to make services unavailable. Distributed DoS amplifies this with thousands of sources. In real attacks, this disables websites, networked apps, or entire infrastructures, sometimes for hours or days. Attackers may launch it using botnets or spoof traffic, with tools like Loic or Mirai. The goal is simple: disruption, force downtime, crash systems, or consume bandwidth. Understanding these concepts helps explain why DDoS is both simple and devastating. Defenders need layered defenses like rate limiting, geo-blocking, and traffic filtering. Whether it's a political hacktivist or a ransom-driven attacker, DoS/DDoS remains one of the loudest cyber weapons. It's chaos by volume and hard to ignore. Botnets. This topic covers how attackers control large networks of infected devices to launch coordinated cyber attacks. Picture a puppet master with thousands of strings. Each puppet is a compromised machine ready to obey commands. Botnets consist of malware-infected systems, often spread silently through phishing, drive-by downloads, or weak credentials. Once infected, each machine, or bot, communicates with a central command and control (C2) server. Attackers use botnets to send spam, steal data, or flood networks with DDoS traffic. Popular malware families like Mirai or Zeus have powered massive botnets across the world. These armies operate quietly, often hiding in plain sight on home routers, IoT devices, or outdated systems. Understanding botnets is crucial because they're the engine behind many large-scale cyber attacks. Defenders monitor traffic anomalies, use IDS tools, and disrupt C2 infrastructure to mitigate them. Botnets scale the attacker's power, from one hacker to a global swarm of zombies. DoS and DDoS attack techniques. This topic explains how attackers exploit system, network, or protocol limits to crash or exhaust resources. Think of a concert venue with one entrance. If a flood of fake guests rush in, no real guests can enter. From SYN floods to HTTP GET storms, the attacker's goal is service disruption through overload. In this demo, we'll simulate a SYN flood targeting a web server. We'll use Ping3, a flexible packet crafting tool, to send massive TCP SYN requests rapidly. This overloads the server's connection queue, preventing real users from establishing valid sessions. The output confirms a high-speed packet flood was sent successfully. Attackers use this technique to silently disrupt business operations. Defenders must recognize patterns, throttle requests, and deploy intrusion prevention tools. Understanding these methods is key to hardening systems against denial tactics. It's digital sabotage, fast, noisy, and dangerously effective. DDoS case study. This topic analyzes a real-world distributed denial-of-service attack to understand how these threats impact businesses. Imagine a major highway blocked by hundreds of fake cars. No one gets through, and the city shuts down. In 2016, the Mirai botnet launched a massive DDoS attack on Dyn, a DNS provider, disrupting Twitter, Netflix, and others. The botnet used unsecured IoT devices worldwide, sending over 1 Tbps of traffic. Dyn's servers collapsed, making entire domains unreachable. This incident revealed how fragile internet infrastructure can be against volume-based attacks. It also highlighted the need for IoT security, DNS resilience, and global coordination. Attackers don't need to breach, just overwhelm. Defenders responded by filtering traffic, increasing capacity, and updating incident response plans. Case studies show that DDoS isn't just theory, it's a real risk. They help us learn, adapt, and build stronger defenses against future floods. DoS and DDoS attack countermeasures. This topic explores how to defend networks and systems against resource exhaustion attacks. Imagine setting up roadblocks, speed bumps, and cameras to stop traffic jams from fake drivers. The first defense is filtering. Block illegitimate traffic before it reaches the server. Rate limiting, geo-blocking, and protocol inspection help slow down or reject abusive requests. Firewalls, load balancers, and web application firewalls, WAFs, are key infrastructure tools. Cloud-based DDoS protection providers like Cloudflare, or Akamai offer advanced mitigation capabilities. They absorb and filter massive floods before they hit the target. It's about early detection and rapid response. Network monitoring, baseline analysis, and behavior profiling all contribute to proactive defense. These countermeasures are vital for uptime, availability, and customer trust. The goal isn't just to survive a flood, it's to stay online, responsive, and protected. A well-defended network can weather even the largest storms. DoS and DDoS protection tools. This topic focuses on specialized tools and services designed to protect systems from denial-of-service attacks. Think of it like bodyguards screening a crowd. Only legitimate users are let through. Hardware firewalls and IDS/IPS systems can detect traffic anomalies and drop attack packets. Advanced WAFs inspect HTTP traffic to block Layer 7 attacks in real time. Cloud-based solutions like Cloudflare, AWS Shield, or Arbor Networks offer scalable DDoS protection. They divert, absorb, and analyze huge traffic volumes before reaching the target. Each tool offers layers of protection: network, transport, and application. Proper configuration and redundancy are key for success. These tools buy time and space to respond effectively. Attackers may scale, but defenders can scale too, with smarter, faster, adaptive tools. Without the right defenses in place, even a small flood can cause chaos. Protection tools are the difference between outage and resilience.